Crushing traffic, training for success, sales skyrocketing, oh yes. TikTok reels engage